How to change your password on TanTan application. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can change the password of your TanTan application. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your TanTan application. Once you open your TanTan application, at the bottom you will find the menu, and in the menu you need to select the profile, which is me. You need to tap on that one. The next thing you need to do is to tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, just scroll down and you will find the option account and security. So you need to tap on account and security, and here the second option is update your password. So you need to tap on the password here. So once you tap on the password, they will ask you to please enter 4 digits code. First you need to tap on get code. So the number that you have registered on TanTan will receive a code and you need to enter it here. So you need to tap on get code. So guys, once you tap on get code and you will receive a code, you need to enter the code here. Once you enter the 4 digits code, the next thing you need to do is to set a new password. Once you're done, you need to tap on done. So guys, this is how you can change your password on TanTan application. I hope you like this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel because we need your help, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.